Mastering the magic. Converting terminating decimals into fractions. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into the world of numbers. Specifically, we're going to explore terminating decimals and learn how to convert them into fractions. This is an important concept when dealing with numbers in English, and it's actually quite fun once you get the hang of it. First, let's define what a terminating decimal is. Terminating decimals are decimals that have a finite number of digits after the decimal point. Examples of terminating decimals are 0.5, 0.75, or 0.025. They are called terminating because they end, or terminate, and do not go on indefinitely. Before we start converting, we need to understand what a fraction is. A fraction represents a part of a whole. It consists of a numerator, which is the number on the top, and a denominator, the number at the bottom. The numerator indicates the number of parts we have, while the denominator tells us into how many equal parts the whole is divided into. Now that we understand both terminating decimals and fractions, we're ready to start converting. Let's break it down into simple steps. 1. Identify the place value of the last digit in your decimal. This is going to become the denominator in your fraction. For example, if your decimal is 0.75, the last digit is 5, and its place value is in the hundredths. So, your denominator will be 100. 2. Remove the decimal point and place the remaining number as your numerator. So, in our example, 0.75 becomes 75. 3. Reduce the fraction to its simplest form. This is a process of dividing both the numerator and the denominator by their greatest common divisor, the largest number that divides both without leaving a remainder. In the case of 75 100ths, both numbers can be divided by 25, leaving us with 3/4. That's your answer. And there you have it. You're now a pro at converting terminating decimals into fractions. Remember, like any new skill, it takes practice. So, keep working at it and you'll master this in no time. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons in English language learning. Happy studying, everyone!